All right, in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to generate different images, all right, of a product you upload on Shopify using their inbuilt AI. Once you log in successfully on your Shopify account, you will be on the home tab. All right, so let's now use the AI tool to generate more designs citing a particular product we have already published on the platform. So I'll click on this icon. This is AI icon. All right. Once you click there, you will see this interface showing you how can I help. All right. So it's now left for you to tell this what you want it to create. Okay. So you can see these options is suggested for you set up Windows 11 ebook campaign and a lot of them because he has dictated some products I have. So I'll click here and explain what I want. And here it says generate 3D version of my ebook product Windows 11 for beginners and seniors 2026 standing upright on its desk. Okay, so I will send it to see what it returns. All right, so it has generated that for me, but it generated a fresh cover entirely. I can save to files, all right, but I will tell it to do a different thing. Okay, so I'll click here to download it into my PC first, then I'll click on save to files for it to be saved in my Shopify account. Later, I can add it on my own. All right, but this is cool, but I want it to use the media I have already uploaded. Are you getting it? So I will instruct it on what next I want it to do. So look at what I have here. I say, please generate this using the media I uploaded for the product. I will send that to see what it does. Okay. All right. Here we are. It has done the job. Okay. It has generated this based on the media I uploaded initially. That is beautiful. First, I will click on this for it to be downloaded into my PC because I may use it somewhere else. And next is to click on Save to Files for it to be downloaded into the media section of my Shopify account. I can keep prompting it to generate more. Maybe I will tell it to have this, my design, on the screen of a tablet design. It will do that for me. But for the purpose of time, because of time, we're not going to do that now. So now let's get to products and see what you can do here. Then I will click on this particular product, which is what this is made for. All right, I'll click on that. So once it opens here, I will make some changes. So I'll click on this and it will show this, which I have downloaded to files. Okay, I'll click on it and I'll click on done. So it will be added alongside this. Okay, so and it's cool. I like it this way. So once you add the newly generated image for you, click on save so that everything will be saved. Okay, so once it's saved and you get to store, you will see that.